What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? The sun will come out tomorrow. Yes, y'all, I'm feeling so good. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope y'all are staying safe and washing your hands and wearing your mask and all that jazz, okay? Because taking care of your health is important. All right, so before I begin into my extra read all about it, today's video is sponsored by Sunber Hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link we can purchase this wig off their site, honey. Also, if they give me a coupon code, I'll list that down below as well. All right, y'all, so I'm on the fence. I don't know if I'm feeling this look. Like, I feel like the lace melted so great, but I don't know, I'm just not like feeling like I look good. Maybe because I got a left part. I don't know. Normally my curly units are a middle part, but on my Instagram they requested that I do a left part, and so that's what I'm giving y'all. You know what I'm saying? And also, I think on my last curly wig video, someone asked, could I do a side part? They said a right part, but I don't like right parts. Lefty gang over here. So I don't know. Maybe I got to get used to it. Maybe I got to take some more pictures or something. But I'm feeling like, I don't know. I'm just not giving y'all what y'all thought I was going to give. But enough of me rambling, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into today's wiggy. Yes, y'all. Spirit fingers. Oh, I'll go get my nails done this weekend. Clickety clack, and it's gonna be on. All right, y'all. So y'all already know how I do. Y'all already know how I get down. I'm gonna go ahead and drop those cons on you, and then we're gonna jump right into the pros, and then we're gonna wrap this video on up. So I only have one con when it comes to this wig, y'all. Just one. Oh, there's two. Just one. And the lace was definitely too light for your girl. It was too light, and I did have to go in and darken it up with my pressed powder that I use to contour my face. And y'all, it's blending. It's serving scalp. I don't know. Maybe I'm not feeling the middle part. I mean, maybe I'm not feeling the side part, but it's serving scalp. After that, the lace blended down really, really well, and I did not have any issues. So that's the only con I got for y'all. So let's jump right into the pros. First pro I would have to say about this wig is the hair. I do love the hair. The hair is very soft. I did style this wig right out the box. I have worked with Sunber hair before, so their hair doesn't come with like a funky chemical smell, and it wasn't dirty. You know, I had to inspect it, gadget. Ooh. I had to look at the wig, you know, to see if it was good. And I never do a wig fresh out the box. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out the box. I did go ahead and manipulate the curls with some water and some leave-in conditioner. All of the products that I use will be listed down below. I did receive minor shedding, but it's nothing to get upset about. I did receive a little bit of tangling because this is like a water wave unit, so it's expected, but it's nothing like worth getting upset about. It's just mainly at the ends, as you can see. But once you run your hands through it, it's good to go. And the hair is a little damp, but once it dries all the way, of course, the hair and the curls will get bigger. The next pro I would have to say about this wig is the lace. Even though the lace came too light, and that's more of a personal preference for your girl, it blended down so well. We are serving scalp. I mean, look at us. And the hairline did come pre-plucked. It does look good. The parting space looks really natural. So, you know, I have nothing but good things to say about this wig. It is a 360 lace wig, so you know you got a lot of parting space. You can do a middle part, a side part. You can do all that. I know, just switch it up. Do you, boo, okay? But really no complaints. I do think this wig is very beginner friendly because it didn't take a whole lot of work for me to make it look good. Like, it just looks good fresh out the box, and this is what I'm giving y'all. I really have no complaints, y'all. Like, other than my forehead looking big because of this part, I really should have done the middle part. Should I do that? As far as the wig being big head friendly, this wig was a little bit too big for your girl, but I did go in and adjust the straps in the back. I do not have on my wig grip and it's still sitting pretty. I did have to cut off some extra lace on the sides because a lot of lace was going over my ear. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video because it's not a whole lot for me to say. If you have any questions, you know, drop them down below. Everything that I used on this wig will be listed down below, also in my Amazon store, so feel free to check that out. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Sunber Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.